What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video with Tiege Hanley. For today's video, I am gonna be telling you exactly why you need a nighttime facial moisturizer. Now, a lot of guys think they don't need to moisturize unless their skin is really dry and crackling. However, that's not true. Having a moisturizer and moisturizing throughout the day helps keep pimples at bay, as well as keeping your skin as hydrated and clear as possible. So yes, you should be moisturizing at least twice a day, but no, you cannot use the same moisturizer you use for your body as you do on your face. They serve two completely different purposes. Don't worry though, we will explain the difference and we will tell you exactly what kind of moisturizer you need for your face to have the best results. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to check out what is in our moisturizer. We want to avoid alcohol at all costs. We know alcohol leads to dehydration, which can lead to irritation, when honestly, that is what we're trying to avoid at all costs. So if your moisturizer has alcohol in it, we want to rethink that. Also, moisturizers that are also fragrances are a no-go. That can also lead to irritation and inflammation, and again, we want to avoid that at all costs. When you think about it, most moisturizers that have natural ingredients are already gonna smell good. So if you have something that's overcompensating for its smell, it's probably not the best bet. So sorry, Bath & Body Works. The next tip is to make sure your moisturizer has some SPF in it. We recommend at least SPF 20. Tiege Hanley's AM Moisturizer has that because we want to make sure when you're moisturized and you go out into your day that your skin is protected from the sun. Our skin on our face is the most sensitive part of our body. So again, we want to make sure it's protected and hydrated all throughout the day. Also, I just want to let you guys know, for more information about everything we're covering, you can go to the bio section in this video and we will have an in-depth explanation in blog format of everything we're covering today, just in case you missed anything. The very next tip following the AM moisturizer is you want to make sure you have a PM moisturizer to make sure your skin is not only hydrated while you sleep, but that it can regenerate to its fullest capacity while you're getting those Z's in. Again, Tiege Hanley offers a PM moisturizer. I have their level 1 skincare system, which comes with both AM and PM. So while you sleep, you want to make sure that your skin is hydrated as well, so you're not waking up with a dry, cracked, inflamed skin. So the main thing to take away from this, you guys, is it's all about building a healthy routine into your life to make sure you're hydrating from the minute you wake up to the moment before you go to bed. You want to be moisturizing your face. So we wake up, we have an AM moisturizer that has some SPF in it, so we make sure we're hydrated, we're protected from the sun, and then right before we go to bed, after we've washed our face, we're making sure that we're throwing on some PM moisturizer so we're staying hydrated while we sleep. Make sure again you have an AM and a PM moisturizer that work with your skincare routine, and make sure you are always staying moisturized throughout the day. And I'm telling you, you're not gonna deal with dry skin. With that, you guys, that's today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you wanna see some more videos from Tiege, go ahead and click over here. If you wanna learn a little bit more about Tiege Hanley and their skincare systems, you can go ahead and click over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.